One young man, a very young man, will be security for Abakpa, very strong security. Honorable man, he carries very serious matter could give us today. And I could just give on the skeleton of that matter because on Monday we will treat am fully. But we dey wonder the level of the way marriage take dey crash, the way relationship take dey crash with this generation, with this present time. There is danger for the future. And we dey find out say people no dey even talk inside this matter. But more is now available as cheap as pure water, and cucumber does no longer have any value. Commitment has been thrown away to the dustbin and taken away to the curbs. Serious matter. When our papa then and our grandpapa then they do session before commitment of marriage, the new school now teach say na they get sense pass. And they don't know say na danger dey there. Enugu welfare, whether the one wey dey Enugu north or the one wey dey Nsukka, abeg we wan ask una question, wetin be una mandate? The other case wey we do between Kashmir and the wife, one of the welfare department for Enugu here carry this Kashmir, carry the woman, take dey do child custody and the woman collect pikin. And I want to state it equivocally clear, very resoundly here. If any person wey dey in charge of welfare, that be welfare officer or anything, you are not in charge or mandated or empowered to do custody. And another dey form capon for area there. For all these village people wey dey do cassava, dey pluck pepper and the rest. Kashmir got into trouble because he carry a pikin. A pikin when he born with a woman, the woman carry the pikin. Want to go and change the name and give it to another man. And the country people, as we dey talk, we have to tell you now, say there's a booming informal business where they happen for women wey don get belle born pikin, but man no dey their life or man no pay the bride price. There's a booming business of transaction where important men wey no fit father children of their own biologically are paid through the roof to collect the children and the mother under a false interpretation of what they call in quote tradition. And it's been happening and tearing children apart. We dey have instances like the one we do for Anambra between one native doctor, 64 years native doctor, with a small girl wey dey carry 4 children go give the native doctor, say oga no pay bride price, but oga dey with una for 15 years. They feed una, pay school fees, do everything. There's a booming business there because of the evil wey people dey do, and a lot of people don't know. Women wey dey inside what we can safely call a marriage are not comfortably, boldly living their matrimonial home with the children, say they no pay bride price, and carry the children to give another man and collect hefty sum in traditional rights requirements. I know they happen now. When I see the one where they do from Enugu here, he reach Cross River, we had to petition the DPO of that division to make sure say the girl mama and the papa, they are held accountable legally. And today we get a matter where a security man come, a woman that abandoned her child, with that pikin dey 1 year old. He abandon her for the man. The man dey run security, dey run the pikin matter. He run security, dey run the pikin matter. Now the pikin don dey 6 years old. The woman now don come back. He don come back to carry the pikin. Another man is now knocking at the door wey no fit born him own pikin. So we have to look wetin we don dey turn to social norm now. What is not acceptable? And then they look some kind traditional loopholes to talk say you no pay bride price, you no pay bride price. Forget the man, forget the woman. What about the child? Pikin wey don dey with him papa for 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, some to 15 years. They go just carry another person come, say they call this one daddy. What other abuse will be worse than wetin those children will have to face? Because first of all, their biological father will never be forgotten. And imagine the kind of deceit where their mama and the abducted father will have to deceive them for them to accept that he's not father or daddy. Wetin they go dey tell them say the other man be. Most of the time they go tell them say if you see your biological father run, he want to poison you, don't take anything from him. If you see him on the road, cross and start running. We have seen it even in Akuki in Enugu here several times. And now what did they happen now? And now when they won't do most of these things, they will run to all this welfare when they bother to do investigation, nothing. They will just invite you and start shouting and putting pressure on you, especially if that person don't get any legal know-how or expertise or association, it don't fall into that kind of intimidation. When I remember the one wey be say for Anambra, we had to arrest the man, arrest the two native doctors, arrest the woman, the mother join. Even as we arrested, they phone say, okay, make the man come carry the pikin. They ran to Enugu Ministry, Anambra Ministry of Women Affairs and Welfare. We had to still call the commissioner there. Are you aware? Before they refer that case back to Zone 13 body. And now in Enugu now, a woman that abandoned a pikin 1 year, one big pikin they 1 year. When the pikin still be watakiri, now he leave am 1 year. Another man don't find her, now he don't come back. Say he won't carry the pikin. She don't know run go Suka welfare. Suka don't call the man now. Say come and do this, come and do that. How much you will they pay? The mother want to carry the pikin. The mother say you have been oppressing her for 6 years. You know go report welfare. Say they oppress you. Say they say make your family member then they come your matrimonial home. You know report for 6 years where you abandon the pikin. You won't collect her now. Now you tell welfare say they do you this that. That welfare we hear say the organ Suka welfare. We hear say this the defendant where you drag come. He asks you for your number and you did not give it to him because I for call you live for this program so that I will ask you which law in Enugu State mandate you to wade into custody matter. Even the police cannot discuss or talk about custody except in an informal way, in an advisory capacity. And now you be welfare for them, you dey talk, you dey tell how much the man go dey pay this. Who give you that kind of power? We are coming to that matter fully on Monday.